It's so cold out. Come get warm. I have fresh steamed buns for you.
Here you go.
Thank you. It looks yummy. Be careful, it's hot.
We'll take 2 more, please.
Coming right up.